Hey guys, how are you? I hope good. I'm Danny Light. In this video I want to show you how to make interesting build-ups before the drop build. You know what I mean. Okay, let's start. And I use exactly the same project where I showed you how to make the leads powerful. This melody. You know it, right? Okay, let's start. This part will be build up. It's right now quite empty. Let's take the same melody. Usually what I love to do is the first note of the melody, and like so. Yeah, seven bars. Let's add filter first, then slowly rising. All know that effect, right? Let's make automation here. Okay, next thing what I usually do is pitch wheel automation. 12 notes up. I made here. On Bitwig I can make this macro node for all the synths I use. So yeah, it's easier to me not have the tens of the pitch wheel automation. I have to use 50, but you probably must do 100%. Okay, now it's thermal effect. I use same Melda production. You can get these plugins for free. Really good plugins. I recommend to try out. Let's make def and rate automations. Rate will also slowly rise up, and def only for this rising part. Like this. Maybe start a little bit slower. What? Something is wrong. What I made wrong there. Frequency. Ah, right. We also can add this auto panning effect. I use this one also a lot. Again, definitely for this uprising part. And rate also slowly going up. And you also actually can make like here it's hinting up and going back down. Let's see how it will sound. Like so. Maybe filter it out a little bit. And then you again make one before drop. It's like leads fading. This filter. And this is the before drop. Where the tremolo, enable the tremolo here. Like this. You will get that cool vibrating effect. You will hear now. Oops, not autopan. Then tremolo rate. Something like this. Then. And now you will add the drums and stuff there. Like, let's see something from my samples pack, latest one. Let's take loops. No. Fills, where is the... Oh yeah, snare rolls. Maybe this one is better. No, don't work. Okay, I will make this time the stuff longer. Some explosions. really tear now and do anything you like. Some fills maybe. Add some crashes also, like so. And now you can basically add exactly the same settings and things to the chords. You know, then it will sound a lot bigger. But I will not start doing in this video that I think you know how to copy exactly the same settings just for the chords and maybe for the bass. And you will get a lot bigger this drop sound. And here it is. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked. If not, then dislike. I try my best to make better and better videos. See you in next video, guys.